Hello, folks. Go away, cat. Go away. It is not good for you to be here. Why not? I have a little cold. I don't want you to get it. Oh, I see. So I will go away. Cat went away. That is good. I will rest. Lie down. Lie down. Good job. Now I feel good. Yes, you do, Lily. You feel very good. But I'm not happy without cat. Do you smell cat on my knee? Is that what you're smelling? Where are you, little cat? I want you. Come here. Come here. Why, dog? Why do you want me? Now I do not have a cold. I feel good. I want to play with you. That is good, dog. I want to play with you too. Yes, you do. The end.